Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to watch YouTube in picture mode on your laptop screen or on your computer. Simply open your web browser, search YouTube. You can play any video you wish to. So here in my case, I can see Marcus has uploaded a new video. Let's play that. Once the video has been started, right click on the screen. You have to right click again, that means 2 times, and then you will see an option of picture mode. Click on that. Once you click on that option, you will notice that video will be played in picture mode on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can enjoy watching your video and you can do other stuff without any interference. And to resume and pause, you can hover your cursor over it and you will see the option of pause and play, and next to that you will see an option of full screen. By clicking on that, you will go back to the normal mode or full screen mode. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to share it with your friends.